Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Stumps and Bales podcast. I'm your host Abhishek, and today's topic of discussion is the third test between India and England. So we have our boys back with us. We have Vignesh, Vikas, Shashank, and Rajdeep. So yeah, how are you guys?
Good, good,
All
all
good,
good,
man.
all
Very
good.
good. Great, great.
Okay, great. Okay, so this is going to be the first match which is going to be played at this legendary stadium at Motera, matlab the world's biggest cricket stadium. No one knows a lot about the pitch, so I think we should start with that. How do you think is the pitch going to show up in the first match to be ever played at the stadium? I think I'll start with Vignesh. Vignesh, what do you think about that?
Right. So currently, the pictures which we saw from the stadium, so there was not a lot of difference between the outfield and the pitch, to be honest. So it contains a lot of grass, but we are not sure that a day or two leading into the match, the grass may be shaved off to give it a typical Indian flavor. So since it is made up of black soil, I believe it will carry something for the spinners right from day one.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, apart from Chennai, the only difference will be the bounce for the pacers. So there will be a bit of both for seamers and the spinners, I think. So toss
Okay,
should not be a
okay,
big. I believe that toss should not be a big deal.
okay. Vikas, anything about the stadium which you have read? Uh, any idea about it?
So as we all know, like it's like 110,000 is the capacity of the stadium, and it's going to be huge. Yeah, like first match of on this stadium. So expecting a lot. The crowd is not going to be there. That's a bit a drawback and something
Mm-hmm.
which we don't expect to be in inaugurating match on a stadium. But yeah, that's that right now. We can't really help. But rightly mentioned by Shashank and me, we were talking before that. Okay, so even if the half crowd is there, I don't know the details yet, but अगर आधा भी होता है, then it's still a huge crowd, huge number. And like Vignesh also said about the pitch, it's going to be green. It's like no difference between the outfield and the uh, on the and the wicket. But still, I think it's going to be a proper 5 days match because it is an inauguration game, and it is going to be a no one wants to be a dead match at all. So I
Mm-hmm.
think it's going to be an exciting game on a wicket front as well and on a stadium front as well.
Okay. Okay, great. Yeah, Shashank.
Pitch wise here, like everybody, I think we're as clueless as everybody. वो तो pictures आई थी जो सामने आई थी where the pitch was
Hmm.
exactly like the outfield. I don't think the pitch is going to be like that for sure. So I think एक हफ्ते की पहले की pick थी वो. Ground match start होने के, I think they'll shave off the grass, they'll roll the pitch a bit more. The grass will dry up also. I think it'll not be the same exactly. Of course, it will be an Indian pitch, but it'll not be like the dust bowl in Chennai or what we are used to seeing in Nagpur or pitches like that. Not like
Hmm.
it's not going to be like that. Not that sort of a black soil. It's a new pitch, of course. So I mean, it's very नई पिच के समय ग्राउंड्समैन को भी नहीं पता होता है. The pitch curator also doesn't know
Right.
exactly how it's going to behave. So I mean, you can't say much about that right now. It's just going to be seen. But I don't agree with Vikas's one point कि match 5 दिन चलेगा, match 5 दिन नहीं चलेगा. We'll
Okay.
talk about that later.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. 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 Rajdeep, your view.
Yeah, we were talking about the pitch. So I guess मैंने अभिषेक को बताया था आज कि we were talking about the green pitch, right? So वो है ना थोड़े टाइम पहले, like Shashank said, 1 week पहले का photos था. But right now, if you see the half pitch है ना, वो exactly brown, like typical Indian pitches है ना, वो लोगों ने कर दिया already. And आज अगर आप देखोगे तो रोहित शर्मा ने भी इंटरव्यू में बोला है that this pitch is going to act like a pitch we had in the previous match. Okay, so
Right.
spin friendly pitch रहेगा ये भी. अभी 5 days या 4 days का तो आइडिया नहीं है, बट हाँ इंग्लैंड को थोड़ा सा हुक्स मिल गया था. जो फ्रांस स्टार्टेड ट्वीटिंग कि अभी यहाँ पे थोड़ा खेलने का अच्छा लगेगा, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. पिच इज नॉर्मल लाइक इंडियन पिच, बट वही जो फर्स्ट मैच है वी कांट प्रेडिक्ट द पिच. बट हाँ, ये ऐसा नहीं होगा कि इंग्लैंड जैसा कोई ग्रीन पिच दे देंगे या ऐसा कुछ. ये पिच अच्छा रहेगा और मुझे लगता है ये भी 5 डे वाला गेम रहेगा. सो ये अच्छा रहेगा
Okay.
अपने लिए.
Okay. Okay. Great. तो जैसे कि मतलब like we were speaking, कि do you think it was unfair on the visitors the second pitch which was made at the Chepauk Stadium. Do you think it was unfair on them because they were cribbing a lot? I saw Michael Vaughan and all their Kevin Peterson crying about the pitch which was made. So what do you guys think about it? So we have no idea about the upcoming stadium, but let's talk about that for now. Vignesh, what do you think? Was it unfair? Was it brutally unfair on the visitors, or do you think it's fair to be make pitches as per as requirement? Yeah.
So if you see the pitch जो बना था, it was like a double-edged sword. You know, it could have backfired on India as well had England had quality spinners and had they bowled better on day one. So if you remove Rohit Sharma's 161, so we would have ended up somewhere around 160, 180 in the first innings, and that's going to be the main difference. And even in the second innings, जबकि मतलब batting got more difficult, our guys showed more application. You know, a tailender like Siraj, he was willing to stay at the wicket for Ashwin's sake to complete a century. So it was more about skill and not about the wicket. And both the teams played on the same pitch, so there is no point, you know, one team complaining about the conditions. And as Ashwin rightly pointed, that our legends, they don't, you know, criticize the wickets when we travel overseas. So it is high time the Brits, you know, pulled up their socks and played more better, is what I say.
Okay. Vikas?
Completely agree with it because, you know, there is a factor between home test and away test, and this is actually a factor. You don't really depend on the crowd and everything because everyone is like, cricket is appreciated everywhere, so crowd is not a factor when we consider home away in cricket especially. So when we talk about home away, it's definitely about condition, and this has been India's case. This is like Vignesh said कि अगर अपन रोहित के 161 निकाल देते तो pretty ordinary first inning total, and उसके बाद में भी जब even the conditions were even more difficult, Ashwin scored a fantastic century. Virat Kohli was playing very, very nicely, I would say. So the basic pattern of that wicket, which I feel is when Virat Kohli was playing, he was very decisive कि okay, ये ball को आगे खेलना है, ये ball को पीछे ही खेलना है. There is no confusion in his mind. And when Ashwin came, he started sweeping. He just literally took on the Brit. So I think पिच का यार हर बार हो चुका है कि हम जाते हैं पिच में, हमको भी लॉर्ड्स में कुछ दिखता नहीं है यार, ये ग्रीन विकेट आके निकल जाए पता नहीं चलता है. सो इट्स लाइक वी आर सीइंग लाइक आउटफील्ड जैसा ही अपना विकेट दिखता है. सो ये कॉन्वर्सेशन को अभी मेरे ख्याल से लेजेंड्स ने भी छोड़ देना चाहिए कि दिस इज व्हाट इट इज, के होम अवे टेस्ट का जो डिफरेंस है यही है.
ओके, या so yeah, Shashank, what about you? Do you have something else to say than this? Do you agree
what
with
else to
these
say,
guys?
man? It's just these English, you know, guys are salty because we are now, you know, number one cricket nation in the world, and you know we are going to get better, and it's just salt, you know, it's nothing else. अगर कुछ होता तो match referee would have penalized BCCI. So match referee does not have a problem with the pitch. You know, everything else is just noise. Who wants to hear it? Cricket is a game of skill, or the skill showed by Indian batsmen, the application showed by Indian batsmen was far greater than the English batsmen. It was clear to see. You know, number 7 coming and scoring a ton, Siraj applying himself, you know, on the crease, playing on the back foot. It's just application. And Indians applied it more. Our bowlers are more skilled to bowl on these pitches. And yeah, more power to them. I think ऐसी pitches और बनाओ.
But didn't England win in the same ground the first test? I don't understand why they're crying so much. मतलब ठीक है,
I told you, it's salt. It's bit of you know, that Anglo-Saxon जो dominance था उनका दुनिया में वो खत्म हो गया है. अब it's bit of salt. अभी नहीं होता है कि अभी Asians भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं दुनिया में.
Right.
And it's अभी देख रहे Australia में भी you saw the cry baby nature of these guys, and now you're saying English guys cry.
Yeah.
I'm no longer sort of surprised.
Okay, Radhi, what about you? What do you think?
Yeah, as long as you're playing well, pitch से कोई problem नहीं होता है. जब तुम्हारा बैटिंग फेल हो जाएगा ना, तब माइकल वॉन एंड एवरीवन स्टार्ट्स ट्वीटिंग. ओके, सेम पिच था, इंडिया ने भी वही बैट किया, इंग्लैंड ने भी वही बैट किया, सेम थिंग.
नहीं, पर होम कंडीशंस करके भी जरा फेवरेबल होता है ना राधी, मतलब इंडियन पिच था.
इंडिया फर्स्ट टाइम तो नहीं हो रहा है. आई डोंट थिंक सो फर्स्ट टाइम है कि जहां बहुत ज्यादा पिच घूम रहा है. ओके, एंड अगर माइकल वॉन इज ट्वीटिंग एंड सेइंग कि ये पिच अनफेयर था, आफ्टर द मैच इंग्लैंड कैप्टन जो रूट clearly said that India outplayed them in all the 3 departments. Okay,
that was very much clear. Yeah,
he was very fair. उसको पता है. और ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि हम हमारे बैट्समैन के टाइम पे पिच टर्न नहीं हो रहा है, फिर अगर हम लॉर्ड्स पे जाते हैं तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप स्पिनिंग ट्रैक बना दोगे, और वी आर प्लेइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कंडीशंस। तो जैसा है वैसा था, पिच दोनों के लिए सेम था। तो अनफेयर का जहां तक बात आता है, आई डोंट थिंक सो, बिकॉज वी बैटेड इन द थर्ड इनिंग्स, विराट कोहली प्लेड ब्रिलियंटली 60-70 रन्स, अश्विन सेंचुरी, सो वो जो पिच था,
चांसलेस इनिंग्स।
या सेकंड से थर्ड इनिंग्स में आई गेस ज्यादा टफ होता है पिच खेलने के लिए। अगर ये दोनों खेल सकते हैं तो आप लोग तो सेकंड इनिंग्स में खेल ही सकते थे। तो बिल्कुल भी मुझे नहीं लगता अनफेयर था कुछ।
Okay. So all the panelists think that it wasn't unfair at all. Okay, great. So before moving to our next topic, I'd like to discuss this once again. So who are the guys who are supporting Rohit Sharma, who was backing Rohit Sharma before the second test, and who are against him? So what do you guys want to speak about that special inning by a great man? Just because he scored a century, I'll call him great again. But yeah, so I like
It's a
to
great
start with,
century.
it was a great century. No wonder that. But yeah, so let's start with Vikas and Shashank, who were opposing him to get out of the team as soon as possible. He scored, like, literally, he was the match winner in that second test with Ashwin for sure. So yeah, Vikas, what do you think about him now? What do you think about the inning, the decisive inning he played?
Completely agree, that was a match winning inning, क्योंकि जो स्पून सेट किया पूरा गेम का, जैसे हमने इसके पहले भी बोला है कि 180-190 पे अगर हम मतलब अटक जाते थे, बट द काइंड ऑफ मतलब जैसा रोहित शर्मा खेला, दैट वाज कंप्लीटली मैच विनिंग इनिंग. एंड कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट वेयर वी वर नॉट सपोर्टिंग रोहित शर्मा, देयर वर डिफरेंट थिंग्स के ओके, we are talking about a position where there are many youngsters. He's already 33, 32, and where are we going to, कहाँ पर हम सोच रहे हैं कि रोहित शर्मा को इतने सालों के बाद में भी, like I'm just trying to explain our point of view then, कि इतने सालों के बाद में भी if he is not consistent on that position, that's why I'm personally talking about me, so I was not really supportive of Rohit Sharma to start the inning. Or there are players like Mayank Agarwal, and there are other players who are coming in line as well. So I think that was the main reason that I was not really supportive of Rohit Sharma. But I said this in the last video as well, that he will definitely score runs if you can. Okay. If you'll give so many chances, he'll definitely score. And he's a class player. He will some days, some innings, he will stood up and he will deliver, and that's what he did.
Okay, so Shashank, I'll come to you because I want to ask him this question. So now that you say this, that you are against him and all that, do you want him to start in the next match as well? In the next match?
Yeah, I mean, how can you? So how can you? How can you remove a person who has just scored a century? No, I mean, that doesn't make sense.
That's so they back.
I never said I'm against Rohit Sharma. I just said I don't want him in my playing 11. It's the two different
that's
things.
That's fair. So we both,
and I also said that Rohit Sharma will score runs eventually in the series.
Right. You did. We are not saying that.
But the eventual point remains the same. The point is, you coming back to me again after he scored 1 ton does not justify that statement as well, right? Because the whole point was about consistency. It was not about, because दो double century उसी ने मारी है ना. But consistency की बात है, मतलब it's not about moments. अभी it's about consistency. अभी अगर इस series में perform करता है, आगे की 2 series में perform करता है, then you can, and I can admit it. Oh, okay, I was sorry. And maybe he has matured to be a good test batsman. Maybe कईयों की maturity late आती है, then I'll probably get across to that. But I'm still not across to that, man. I'm still like, अगर ऐसे ही है कि 10 innings में एक बार 100, और 100 वो नहीं है, 100 ये वाली important थी because it was match winning innings.
Right.
Match winning innings कितनी है, कितनी per innings, that is also a statistic which we might also look in the future. I'm just saying, I'm still on my point that I would want somebody else to
so that's my question. Sorry, I said it in a wrong way, but my question is, you guys won't still won't keep him in your playing 11, Shashank and Vikas.
I won't. I honestly won't, because
okay. And Vikas, you?
For the next test.
What?
No, if we're talking about
खेलेगा ही वो, अब अगली सीरीज की बात चल रही है.
Exactly.
खेलेगा तो वो सेकंड टेस्ट भी खेलने ही वाला था, वो तो सब लोगों को पता था, तुम लोगों ने रखा नहीं था ना. तो मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ, थर्ड टेस्ट के लिए
And also the replacements I was saying, KL Rahul, तो अगर KL Rahul खेला नहीं तो उसकी परफॉर्मेंस जज ही नहीं कर सकते. मे बी वो 180 मारता, 160 के ऊपर मारता.
वो पॉइंट है ही नहीं. वो
who knows, right, exactly,
who knows.
Yeah.
Right, but my question still remains the same. Shashank said he won't keep him. What about you, Vikas? Will you keep him or not?
I won't drop someone who scored century in the last.
Okay, so you won't. Okay,
and that goes for same to everyone. Yeah.
So that's a valid point actually.
Valid point.
I'll also not drop him actually also because of that reason. Actually, that makes more sense.
So you both will keep him. Okay. So now coming back to Vignesh and Rajdeep, who are backing Rohit Sharma. So like Shashank and Vikas said that he's pretty inconsistent and that he is in the wrong side of the 30s and all. So for how long are you guys think that he should be playing for India for the coming years? Like कितने साल और तुम लोग उनको उसको देना चाहते हो? If he keeps on being this inconsistent like he is now, अगर वो अभी consistent हो गया, जैसे शशांक ने बोला कि आने वाले बहुत decisive inning के लिए, तो समझ में आता है. पर अगर वो 10 मैच में एक बार 100 मारता है, तो भी तुम लोग उसको कितने साल और ये टीम में देखना चाहोगे?
So, agar Rohit Sharma, if India is scheduled to play 15 test matches in a year at home, then Rohit Sharma plays all the 15 test matches. That is a no-brainer.
Many. Okay.
Right. So, Rohit Sharma at home is a completely different beast. I agree. He has yet to prove himself in foreign conditions. But sample size is quite less as an opener for him. Opener तो यार किसी के लिए भी challenging ही है. अगर आप foreign के openers को भी देख लो, David Warner doesn't perform in subcontinent or whoever, मतलब आप कोई भी quality opener को देख लो, apart from Alistair Cook, I don't think there has been a recent opener who has done well overseas या फिर in challenging conditions. So I will wait on my verdict of Rohit Sharma away, but at home he is by far the number one test opener for India, who can change a game in a session. अगर आप देखोगे पिछले टेस्ट में भी 106 रन बने थे तीन विकेट पे, और रोहित शर्मा ने अराउंड 80 मार दिया था, and that itself was game changer.
Game was over in the first session.
Right. So we won the test right there and there. So you need an opener like that, I believe, and I'll back him as long as he is delivering on that. But after we have been critical of players who have not performed consistently. So the yardstick will be same for Rohit Sharma. कोई ऐसे special yardstick नहीं रहेगा. Consistency is the key. You definitely expect consistency, but this guy will be consistent is what I believe. Given a long run, at least in home conditions, he will be a match winner.
Okay, great. So you are totally into it, Sharma. So Rajdeep, what about you? How long do you see him in your playing 11? Seeing that, like keeping in mind his inconsistent performance.
Okay, I'll tell you. If we are talking about tours in India, like Vignesh said, अगर हम लोग 15 टेस्ट मैचेस खेल रहे हैं, so अगर इंडिया में ही है 15, तो मैं 15 के, even if I want him to play, मैं उसको 15 के 15 नहीं खिलाऊंगा, because वहाँ young talent को चांस देना जरूरी है. So maybe if I want to keep him, I'll make him play 10 out of 15, and जो बाकी 5 है उसमें मयांक, राहुल, उनको चांस दूंगा. But yeah, like I said last podcast में भी मैंने जैसे बोला था, like Kohli, Rohit Sharma for me is one of the best player in this team, and वो backbone एक टीम का है. और जो last innings था वो typical रोहित शर्मा innings था. जब वो लोग हम पे भारी पड़ रहे थे, he was continuously counter attacking them. Okay, so at the end they were the team who were in pressure when Rohit Sharma was batting and not we. So उसने जिंक्स के साथ एक पार्टनरशिप लगाया. So रोहित शर्मा ये टीम विराट कोहली जैसा इम्पोर्टेंट ही है, बट आई थिंक अगर हम इंडिया में खेल रहे हैं तो 15 में से सिर्फ 10 गेम्स खेलेगा रोहित, और जो बाकी 5 है वो मयांक, राहुल, ये सब यंगस्टर्स को चांस मिलना चाहिए. लाइक गिल ने प्रूव करके वो भी टीम में बोलते हैं ना, एक सीमेंट कर लिया उसने अपना प्लेस. सेम मुझे चाहिए कि
सीमेंट तो शायद से नहीं किया है.
Exactly. I just want to
Okay, Vikas.
एक off the topic है यहाँ पे, थोड़ा off the topic, मतलब हम रोहित शर्मा के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. So I've seen couple of innings of Shubman Gill. So what do you think, guys? कि कितना so we are yet to see that one inning जहाँ पर इंडिया में स्पेशली हम बोलते हैं कि नहीं यार सेंचुरी है, आ गई है, ठीक है, शुभमन गिल आ गया है. So in this competition, अभी जो हमारा इतना सारा competition चल रहा है, how do you think कितना लंबा टाइम है अभी शुभमन गिल के पास? He is definitely impressive. मतलब
so Vikas's point is that, like, he also tweeted about this कि how long are you going to give him before he converts his 80s 70s to 100? Right.
Right.
Like ये
Right.
चलता है, न्यू प्लेयर है, जरा
Right.
टाइम दे देते हैं कि अभी वो टाइम आ गया है. So he also tweeted about it. So how long do you guys think? For now, if you're asking me, I like to start कि I think कि हाँ मतलब ये टेस्ट, ये जो सीरीज है, ये 4 मैच में उसको एक बार मार देना चाहिए to just say to the world that he is here. He has arrived because of all the hype, and I love that player. He's a nice player, and even if he doesn't score,
Exactly.
like I won't be saying कि no नहीं अभी अगला मैच पृथ्वी शॉ को वापस डाल दो या मयंक को डाल दो, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. But just because all the legends are saying that what kind of a player he is going to be in the future, it will be good for his career that he scores 100 in the remaining 4 innings. Yeah, Vignesh.
So as soon as a new kid enters the block, the question you ask to yourself is, does this kid belong at the international level? So ये तो हमने शुभमन गिल का देख लिया without him scoring a century, है ना?
Right.
हाईएस्ट स्कोर 91 है. पृथ्वी शॉ ने तो टेस्ट डेब्यू पे सेंचुरी मारा, but we all had our doubts कि यार ये बंदा ओवरसीज में खेलेगा कि नहीं with that wide bat मतलब coming in at an angle. But so Shubman Gill has answered that question कि I belong. So now it is about time that when he converts this, and Gill has assured कि मतलब उसने 5-6 इनिंग में इतना एश्योर कर दिया कि मैं 10-15 साल तो कहीं नहीं जा रहा, I will be playing. So he knows that in the back of the mind he has the belief, and that is why his game reflects that. And I guess the Indian team management, certain Ravi Shastri or someone will just put a hand on his shoulder and say, boy, here is your time, make the most of it. So a senior member of the side may tell Shubman Gill कि यार all flair, all class, all style is good, but the numbers will matter as well. We need to back you on numbers. So please do that as well. So that is something, a conversation that will be happening.
Yeah, when a problem with the issue with the guy is when he's not converting 70s, 50s into 100s and 150s, it's a good problem to have. But at least he's scoring 50s and 60s. So I mean, I don't know. I've been watching cricket since मेरी पहली memory of any sport is watching cricket World Cup 1996. तो मुझे याद है, मैंने देखा है. I'm just saying कि एक आई टेस्ट या तो आप बैट्समैन को देखते हो, आपको समझ में आता है कि ये बैट्समैन यहाँ खेलने के लिए बना हुआ है. उसके बल्ले से जो आवाज आती है, something is stats and something is something that we as sports lovers, we just see and we know, oh my god, this is something special that you're watching. Shubman Gill is that sort of a player here. विराट कोहली जब आया था उसके साथ भी he wasn't very एकदम से convert नहीं करता था 50s into 100. So conversion rate came late into his career when his conversion rate was insane, where his 50s to 100 conversion rate became 1:2, where 150 equals to 200 he used to convert. Like that ratio used to maintain. So let's give him time. दूसरे conditions, दूसरे bowlers को खेलने के लिए आप एक बॉलर को खेलते हो, दूसरी बॉलर जेम्स एंडरसन, विराट कोहली struggled against in 2014. Again he went to England and he dominated Anderson, right? So वो भी होता है, so people also learn by playing against different bowlers. That experience also helps. Yeah. So I eventually think that Shubman Gill should have to be back to the tee. Of course, with any player एक उसका वो होता है कि विलोद कामली बन जाएगा तो उसको बैक नहीं किया जाएगा. Of course, that nature has, that that mehnat, that zest to learn or to progress, to become the best cricketer in the world, वो होना चाहिए. Of course, तभी we'll obviously support him, but I whatever I see of him, I'm like, this is the guy for the future for me, and I would obviously play him.
Okay, great. Rajdeep, you?
Perfect. Like Shashank said, if I see Shubman Gill playing, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि विराट कोहली के रिकॉर्ड्स को ब्रेक करना तो ठीक है, बट अगर उसके रिकॉर्ड्स की कोई पास भी अगर पहुंच सकता है तो ही शुभमन गिल. ओके, उसका जो स्टैंस है, उसका क्लास है, उसके इनिंग्स में खाली उसका एक ही इशू है कि उसका कन्वर्जन जो इन्होंने बोला 70 to 100, 50 to 100 वो कम है. बट या जस्ट लाइक लास्ट मैच में मैंने बोला था कि रोहित शर्मा विल स्कोर अ सेंचुरी. आई एम गेटिंग दिस गट फीलिंग कि ये मैच में शुभमन गिल का सेंचुरी आ सकता है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है, बिकॉज ये टेस्ट मैच वो इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाया. सो इन दिस मैच मे बी ही कैन प्रूव हिमसेल्फ अगेन एंड स्कोर अ सेंचुरी. सो ये मैच में मुझे लगता है आ सकता है.
I think even conversion is not a problem. I just through this question because I just wanted to understand, because you can't expect यार विराट कोहली को बहुत टाइम लग गया था पहला सेंचुरी बनाने में. The kind of वो आई टेस्ट बोलते हैं जैसा शशांक बोल रहा था, रोहित शर्मा फॉर मी was that kind of a player.
Yeah.
Oh yaar, what a player! That was a player when I saw Rohit Sharma against South Africa, that 50. So they're like, okay, yaar, ye kya player hai? So that was is still there with Shubman Gill. I was not really in awe with Virat Kohli, to be honest. लेकिन जो conversion का है, that is also not an issue. I just threw this question. I just wanted to take the opinion on this.
Right.
Just adding,
It's not a.
कि if Gill scores a century in the pink ball test, क्या ही बात हो जाएगी यार. 3-4 घंटे की तो मजे हैं अपने. It will be a delight.
डिलाइट. और उसकी हंड्रेड्स भी ऐसी नहीं होगी, मतलब
Right.
नॉट बी पुजारा 100, इट विल बी शुभमन गिल हंड्रेड्स.
Right.
उसके 91 भी
Right.
हम
Correct.
पंत को बोलते हैं वो लास्ट टेस्ट के लिए, बट शुभमन्स 91, दैट
Correct.
इनिंग्स वाज
Yeah.
amazing. That innings was, he set up the whole game basically for Pant to go and chase after.
Absolutely. So we
But don't you guys think
Lakshman
that
na, he never plays a, बहुत मेहनत करके भी he never plays a fall shot. So Gill is, someone whom I believe is close to him.
Okay, so don't you guys think that we are already putting a lot, not me, not you, like the Indian crowd as an whole, the experts are already putting a lot of pressure in Shubman Gill, because we all remember when Prithvi Shaw was there, Ravi Shastri said that he reminds me of these certain three legends.
Yeah.
He's all those Sachin and Gavaskar and Lara in one. So that was also too much for. So because even I remember when Prithvi Shaw was there, he was stripped to be the next Sachin. Like Radip just said, Shaw can become Kohli. Prithvi Shaw का तो ऐसा है कि ये सचिन ही है, मतलब ये फाड़ने वाला है. अभी cut to 2-3 years, मतलब he is nowhere, not even picked in the test squad. Very bad performance actually. He played well for Mumbai in the Vijay Hazare Trophy in their first match against Delhi recently. But yeah, so yeah, Vignesh, you want to say something?
Yeah. So even if you see for Prithvi Shaw, he was the only player in New Zealand, even though, he didn't have that correct technique, he was still scoring runs as compared to Rahane, as compared to Pujara. If you pick up his numbers from the 2 tests, he was more comfortable as compared to the others, and he was scoring runs at a fair clip. The only point which happened is for the poor guy in Australia, swinging conditions, ping ball and everything, he was completely exposed, which is fair enough. Virat Kohli, jab 10 innings mein 134, he can score in England. So even this guy so early into his career, he may have, a poor run of scores.
Yeah.
But what will define Prithvi Shaw is how he comes back now. If he has
So do you still think he's the next Sachin?
Next Sachin तो यार कोई नहीं बन सकता. Sachin था. It is very easy for us to get into comparisons and all that.
Right? Will you ever compare him with Sachin?
No. Nobody can close यार. मतलब Virat Kohli also don't think he is the next Sachin or stuff like that. He is the first Kohli, and let this guy be the first Prithvi Shaw we ever met.
Okay.
So I'll wait for him, and I guess there is potential. Otherwise, people won't be hyping him so much. There is potential, but he's a work in progress for sure.
So there is this thing in India, okay, we just want heroes, we just want legends. मतलब पृथ्वी शॉ ने खेल लिया, legend है, तेंदुलकर बनाना है. I remember VRV Singh, if you guys remember, he was claimed to be like a लंबी रेस का घोड़ा, VRV Singh. अगर तुम लोगों को याद हो तो.
Right.
ठीक है. No one remembers that, and that's what I'm talking about. के heroes हमको बहुत चुल होती है भाई, heroes बनाने. जल्द आ गया शुभमन गिल, विराट कोहली बना देंगे. पृथ्वी शॉ आया, इसको सचिन तेंदुलकर बना देंगे. कोई अश्विन आया, उसको हरभजन बना देंगे. कोई लेग स्पिनर आया, कुंबले से बेटर होगा. ऋषभ आया, ऋषभ इज एडम गिलक्रिस्ट और ऐसा वैसा ये सब कुछ. सो एंड आई थिंक दिस इज जो मैडनेस है क्रिकेट का इंडिया में, ये उसका पार्ट एंड पार्सल है कि अच्छा अगर इतना लोग प्यार कर रहे हैं तो ये भी आएगा साथ में. So I think this is something which at least Indian cricketers needs to deal with throughout their career. कि ये होना ही है उनके साथ कि प्रेशर आएगा, ये आएगा, वो आएगा, या फिर expectations रहेंगे. So I think this is going to be there for sure.
Yeah.
I just want to add one thing भाई कि मैं तो कंपेयर करूंगा यार, जो भी तुम गाली दो वो करो, जो भी करो, मैं तो क्रिकेट का फैन हूँ. आई एम नॉस्टैल्जिक अबाउट दीस प्लेयर्स, और मेरे को कुछ दूसरे नए प्लेयर में दिखता है वैसा कुछ, तो ऑब्वियसली कंपेयर करूंगा. मैं सचिन से नहीं, उसको सहवाग से ज्यादा कंपेयर करता हूँ, शॉ को. सहवाग की गेम में भी
रवि शास्त्री को नहीं लगाना यार.
रवि शास्त्री की बात कौन कर रहा है? रवि शास्त्री का अलग है भाई, वो लॉबी सीन अलग है उसका, वो छोड़ो, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक. I'm just saying कि उसको सहवाग को भी problem in swinging ball से थी initial down, initially in his career. He learned to how to play with it, when to play his shots, when to not play his shots. इंसान अपना गेम भी डेवलप करता है, मतलब he has an attacking game, but he will develop he's learning his own game also अभी.
Right.
तो मेरे को पृथ्वी शॉ, अभी I'm not writing पृथ्वी शॉ personally off. और about expectations on शुभमन गिल, इंडिया में अगर क्रिकेट खेलना है तो you have to take that in your stride and succeed rather than that be a hurdle. I mean, it's important that he surrounds himself with good people, I mean, that's I mean, whoever is mentoring him.
You mean not Hardik Pandya and KL Rahul?
Hardik Pandya is a different personality. Hardik Pandya, the West Indian and Indian cricket team, ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं.
Right.
So
Right.
anyway, so he has to live with
Hardik.
expectations. Only then he will be a success. Otherwise, if he's bound down, he's doomed to be a failure.
Yeah, Radip, anything about Prithvi?
Nothing as such. अभी थोड़ा डाउन फॉर्म में है, but हाँ उसमें भी पोटेंशियल है. उसको देख के समझ आता है कि he's a good player. तो he will come up. But next Tendulkar या ऐसा कुछ नहीं. We can't compare anyone to Sachin. That is what I can say right now.
Yeah, we'll keep a separate podcast about Sachin versus Kohli. I like you guys to fight sometimes. Let's see. So coming back coming back to the third test. Okay, so which players are gonna be crucial for India in the third test? Like, do you think? Top 3 players according to you guys who will show up for India in the third test. Yeah, Vignesh.
For me, it will be Virat Kohli, Ishant Sharma, and Umesh Yadav. So these 3 players.
Okay. Any reasons behind it?
So Kohli remains, we have only played one pink ball test in India, and Kohli was the only centurion for us in that game. So I guess he will be drawing some good memories from there, and especially his form since the second innings he must have drawn a lot of confidence, the way he was sure in defense, as our panel rightly pointed out. So Kohli in good nick, and Ishant Sharma and Umesh, they both have an 5-wicket haul each with the pink ball, even though the opposition was Bangladesh. But bowlers tend to carry that good memories with them. So if Ishant, Umesh is a different beast on Indian pitches. He's by far the best Indian pacer, I believe, on Indian wickets. SG ball uske haath mein de do, or you just let that man run through. He will come up with goods. So for me, these 3 will be the key players.
So in the thing in ping ball test matches, the second session is more crucial than the first. थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होता है. तो आई थिंक विराट कोहली, चेतेश्वर पुजारा एंड ईशांत शर्मा फॉर मी. तो ये 3 लोग बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. रीजन विराट कोहली, चेतेश्वर पुजारा, व्हाई? बिकॉज the last ping ball test they played against Australia, they were looking good and everything. We really want someone to hold on to that second session. To जो ऐसा पहला सेशन जो डिफिकल्ट होता है ओपनर्स के लिए, आई थिंक दैट विल बी इजी. एंड सेकंड सेशन में जब अगर अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे यहाँ से अगर पुजारा एंड विराट कोहली है, तो देन दे कैन हैंडल. एंड along with that, Ishant Sharma, because I think he will be able to create a good bounce. And I'll just take a fourth name. I have a gut feel that Mohammad Siraj will do well in this test match.
Okay, great. So yeah, Rajdeep, we'll come back to Shashank. Rajdeep?
For me, Shubman Gill, Virat Kohli, Ravichandran Ashwin, and if I have to name the 4th person, he was not in playing 11 this time, Jasprit Bumrah. And I have a reason for that. I think he should play again this game. I'll tell you, because Mohammad Siraj has bowled only 8 overs in the whole test match. Okay. So I think Jasprit Bumrah should play this game. And if he does, then Jasprit Bumrah will be one of them. And if he doesn't play, then Ishant Sharma.
Okay. Right, fair enough. Shashank?
Yeah, as I was saying in the beginning of this podcast, मुझे लगता है कि 5 दिन नहीं खिंचेगा मैच, क्योंकि लास्ट पिंक बॉल टेस्ट जो हुआ है इंडिया में against Bangladesh, that was the shortest test match to be ever completed in India. That lasted for 2 days and 1 session, not even that 1 session complete. And एक और जो टेस्ट मैच हम पिंक बॉल से खेल के वहाँ पे 36 रन बनाए हैं हमने.
भूल गए हम क्या बात कर रहा है. क्या कब हुआ 36 कब?
नहीं, ओ सॉरी यार, अभी सो के उठाऊं, मेरे को पता नहीं मेरे को क्या याद है.
लास्ट
2020
टेस्ट तो
was
वही
a bad
बांग्लादेश
year.
भाई, बांग्लादेश.
But for
No
the
one
same
remembers
reason,
2020.
England, James Anderson is coming back, and pink
These
ball
guys are
season.
gonna die, dude. I'm sure. James Anderson, they're bowling.
He'll die bowling on the pitch. He'll die
Yeah.
bowling on the pitch.
Everyone
He's
is
running 60
gonna be
kilometers an
dead.
hour at 80 years,
Yeah.
and he's dead. Last ball.
Yeah.
But for me, so मेरे को लगता है कि इस पिच पे बॉलिंग तो हमारे पास है. बुमराह will be back and everything. Batting ज्यादा important होगी to Anderson is back. I don't know,
Yeah,
Wood
so
is
top
back
three
or not
players.
for England. Is Wood back?
Wood not sure मिलेगा कि नहीं. He is there in the
Not
squad,
sure. Really.
but I
We'll
don't.
get to know tomorrow.
But
When they'll
anyway,
release
so
that
I
one.
think batting important रहेगी. So my three will be Rohit Sharma because he's the senior opener out of the two. So
Wow. I want a wow
he
background.
will be important to negotiate, of course. मतलब as openers generally are. Pujara of course because I expect him. जैसे विक्कू ने बोला, जो second innings होती है, second session होता है दिन का, वहाँ पे the ball does a lot because the day changes from day to night and the atmosphere gets heavy and lots of reasons. Ball does a lot more, becomes more heavy onto the bat. Playing shots becomes difficult. So इसलिए the third would be Kohli for me. So I think the top three, Rohit, Pujara and Kohli for me will decide.
And no bowler for you.
Bowler, I think both sides will do well, but whoever bats better, I think will.
Okay, these three players are gonna be
Fair
decisive
point.
for you. Cool.
Fair.
Cool. So anyone wants to add something? Should we move to our next point?
So I
Anything?
was reading this piece. We speak about Jimmy Anderson very highly and rightly so. GOAT and his, he rightly deserves that tag. But when England played against Australia in Australia, the pink ball test, so everybody expected Anderson and Broad to, roll through Australia, the kind of swing this people generate. But they got so carried away with that stuff, so they started bowling short. So I'm hoping कि मतलब they draw memories from there और वैसी bowling करना शुरू कर दे. अपने लिए बड़ा अच्छा हो जाएगा.
Okay. Great.
They'll improve. They'll learn from
Also-
that, bro.
Yeah, that is true.
Also, I think like मैंने और पांचवा भी इंडियन नाम फेंक रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. I think the kind of speed which अक्षर पटेल draws के 95 के अबो आसपास खेलता है and he keeps it tight on the wicket. He's not a Jaddu who can like turn and bounce again. He's like keeping it straight. So I think Akshar Patel would be will be interesting to see as well. Yeah, that's it. मेरे 5 शो हो गए.
Okay, great. ठीक है. So coming to your next point, your predicted 11 or your preferred 11. Let's just keep it this. So your preferred 11 for the next test. We'll start with Vignesh.
Right. So Rohit, again to start with, Pujara, Kohli, Rahane, Pant, and Akshar Patel. So there is no changes there. Akshar Patel being the homeboy, I expect him to know the conditions slightly better than most of them on that wicket. So Ashwin will come in at number 8. I see 2 changes happening. I see Kuldeep Yadav and Siraj unfortunately missing out, and Bumrah and Umesh Yadav coming in to partner Ishant Sharma. Because it's not just about the seaming track, but it's also about conditions having a bit of dew might be having an impact around 5K. 5.
Number 7 कौन है?
Number 7 Akshar Patel रहेगा. 8 पे Ashwin
Akshar
आएगा.
Patel.
Yeah. So 9, 10, 11 will be Umesh, Bumrah and Ishant. And I guess it's right time to unleash Bumrah as well, as Rajdeep also pointed out, pink ball. If you have Anderson and Broad, then we have these 3 guys. So, and as Shashank rightly said, it will be a battle between the 2 batsmen. Bowlers will be having a field day, I believe. So this will be my 11.
Okay. पर सब लोग ने कुलदीप को मोस्टली बाहर ही रखा है अपने टीम से. But my question being, so we'll end this podcast in like a minute. But my question being, did Kuldeep got enough chance in the second test? I don't think he got to bowl even like more than 10 overs in the second innings as well. So उसको इतना यूज भी नहीं कर पाया विराट कोहली. तो उसको क्या पीयर प्रेशर में लिया गया था? अगर उसको पीयर प्रेशर में लिया गया था तो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी व्हाट डू वी से वेरी पुअर और वीक कैप्टेंसी कि बस उसको ले लो बिकॉज सब लोग बोल रहे हैं ले लो. फर्स्ट टेस्ट हार गए तो सब लोग बोल रहे थे कुलदीप होता तो अच्छा खेल लेते. तो क्यों लिए अगर उसको सेकंड टेस्ट में या थर्ड टेस्ट में ड्रॉप करने के लिए?
कमाल की बात
Exactly.
है कि अभिषेक कहीं ना कहीं से विराट कोहली के कैप्टनसी पे आ ही जाते हैं, कमाल की बात।
Every time.
नहीं, मतलब what I
मेरा
would-
क्वेश्चन मार्क आ गया, मेरा क्वेश्चन मार्क आ गया।
मतलब it's a turning track.
हाँ,
You can
संजू।
see you can see the ball turning. Even if you had 4 spinners, आप सिराज के बदले सुनील को खिलाते तो भी चल जाता। But क्या होता है ना, when you play 5 bowlers, one of the bowler is going to be underbowled. No matter how bad,
Right.
no matter how good the wicket,
Right.
one is going to be underbowled. So
And it was the most talked about bowler in that test.
right.
Because everyone was waiting for Kuldeep to make a comeback,
Right.
and he did.
Right.
And so he was underplayed. Okay,
Right.
yeah, continue please.
And Aksar took his chances. He grabbed a 5-wicket haul. He was the fourth spinner, fourth bowler in that order. And Kuldeep, poor guy,
Right.
he did what was expected of him. जितना भी मतलब उसे मिला, he did a decent job. But as per the horses per courses वाला policy, and being a test match, I don't think मतलब on the basis of sympathy you may give him one more test match. You will do what is right for the team, and that way he sits out. So there is no unfairness at this stage, I believe.
Do
No,
you
no,
think
good.
Kuldeep? I just want to get an opinion of everybody. Do you think Kuldeep has been figured out by a batsman like Ajanta Mendes was once? And do you think it's that because अभी उसकी ball धीरे आती है इतनी कि it's easy to read him off the pitch also?
Right.
Do you think?
कि अगर उसको read कर लिया batsman तो there is no use of him. Then he becomes like a lollipop bowler. Then he comes and he hit him.
Right.
Do you think, adding to Shashank's point, do you think a bad IPL season has turned his career upside down or something like this? A bad stint, because he was a good bowler, like like Shashank said, as everyone decoded him. That's why he's not being.
I think for my change, I will, if there is to be justified, I think it's a fit. Getting an extra seamer in. And about underbowling in the second test match, I think he spins too much, and that was not really needed. Like you can't really get someone LBW, you can't really get someone bold. And Ashwin is a smart bowler, we all know. And Akshar Patel is not really a very sharp spinner. So I think that was, and also Vignesh said कि अच्छा 5वें bowler को overs कम मिलने हैं. And coming back to Shashank's point, I think he has like उसने थोड़ा सा उसका length थोड़ा सा पीछे कर लिया है, and that's why he's like figured. That's what, if that's the term. I think.
Too much spin. मतलब in history there are 2 bowlers who had too much spin. Their names are Muralidharan and Shane Warne. One has 800 test wickets, one has 700 test wickets.
नहीं, but I believe.
I think.
Too much spin का क्या मतलब हुआ? अब उसको ये बोल रहे हैं कि
I think he's not
अपनी spin को.
Exactly. He was not able to control his spin, or rather उसके length में उतना दम नहीं था जिसके वजह से उसको कम overs मिले. And वो पीछे रख रहा था. That's why short ज्यादा हो रहे थे balls. So that's what I feel about.
We'll listen to what Rajdeep has to say. Yeah, Rajdeep.
Yeah, exactly. जब हम लोग ने लास्ट बात किया था ना, मैंने कुलदीप और सिराज इसलिए चूज किया था बिकॉज ये दोनों अंडर बोल्ड थे. ओके, एंड एग्जैक्टली द सेम पॉइंट लाइक विघ्नेश सेड, फिफ्थ बॉलर हमेशा कम यूज होगा. एंड तेरा पॉइंट भी जो था कि ये पीयर प्रेशर में बैड कैप्टनसी था, तो इसको मैं उल्टे वे से देखता हूँ. ये एक बोल्ड कैप्टनसी मूव देखता हूँ मैं. यू सिलेक्ट अ गाय इन प्लेइंग 11 पीयर प्रेशर में आके ही शायद से कि एवरीवन इज सेइंग, एंड देन तुम उससे ही कम बॉलिंग कराते हो बिकॉज यू आर सीइंग दैट योर टीम इज डूइंग वेल और उसका इतना नीड नहीं है. सो दैट वाज अ बोल्ड कैप्टनसी मूव. एंड अगर वो इतने कम बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं ये दोनों, तो हार्दिक एवरीवन नोज विद द बैट एंड बुमराह तो हमको चाहिए. सो आई थिंक ये दो रीजन है मेरे लिए, ये दोनों को बाहर करके इन दोनों को लेके आने के लिए.
ओके, सो तू एग्री कर रहा है कि उसको पीयर प्रेशर में लिया गया था इन द सेकंड टेस्ट?
अगर ये पीयर प्रेशर में, देखो मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता बिकॉज सी चेपॉक का विकेट है ना, बहुत टर्निंग पिच था, तो मे बी उसकी वजह से विराट कोहली ने या रवि शास्त्री ने ये टीम सिलेक्ट किया होगा. बट व्हेन दे सॉ दैट द टीम इज डूइंग वेल, कुलदीप लेट इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था अटैक में एंड तब तक अच्छा चल रहा था अपना बॉलिंग, सो इसलिए मे बी उसको थोड़ा कम बॉलिंग कराया गया. मुझे लगता है सिलेक्शन तो उसका पिच देख के ही हुआ था चेपॉक का.
इवन सिराज को भी काफी लेट इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था. तो आई थिंक 3 बॉलर्स अगर तुम्हारा काम कर रहे हैं तो व्हाई नॉट.
सिराज ने पूरे टेस्ट मैच में सिर्फ 8 ओवर डाले.
एक वैलिड पॉइंट जो है, क्वेश्चन है शशांक ने जो उठाया, एंड अभिषेक आई गेस हैड अ वेरी वेरी नाइस पॉइंट. एक सिंगल ओवर मोइन अली का कुलदीप के करियर को चेंज कर दिया है. You know, we saw that poor guy crying on the field after being hit for all those runs.
Yeah.
And wrist spinners are mostly purely on confidence basis bowlers. Matlab, this guy was bamboozling batsmen all over the world. Googly ke saath, apne wrist spin.
The China man of India.
Right.
You hear so much about him, right?
And suddenly, and his confidence is so low कि even if you give him the ball and say कि यार you will be the one bowling 20 overs from one end, he might not be telling the captain कि no yaar, I'm good enough to do that. Currently he is not having that confidence in himself to tell the captain कि yaar, I'm good enough for it, and that is something he needs to work upon. मतलब last IPL
exactly, that's completely, I think his
confidence का लगता है. You still don't think he has been figured out? Yeah, confidence का issue.
His speed is quite slow. मैं length का उतना मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, but his speed is so low, जैसे आपने rightly बोला, it gives a batsman a lot of time. If you don't beat them in flight, तो मतलब they have all the time in the world to either come down the wicket or cut him or pull him or whatever. He has to improve on that, and that is something to do with fitness as well. He will learn, I believe. A good season or so with Shane Warne will help him improve his idol. So, but currently Kuldeep Yadav is in a bad shape, and that is something we need.
Confidence bolo na, wrist spinners and confidence. You see, Yuzi also, Chahal, he gets hits for runs, he still tosses it up, he's still ready to get hit. Right. And then you see, Rashid Khan, what Eoin Morgan did to him in the World Cup. Right. He's not short on confidence. I mean, I'm just wondering what has suddenly happened to Kuldeep. Like all of a sudden, Mendes also suddenly it just vanished. One Sehwag innings, and he was done.
Right. But what do you say? Body language.
Chahal case of Kuldeep Yadav.
Yeah.
Exactly.
आप चहल का बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखो, मतलब ही इज ऑल ओवर द पार्क. मतलब आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि यार ये बंदा पिटा है कि यार ये तो हर बार 5 विकेट ले रहा है.
Exactly.
That is a big part. Yeah.
He's ready to get hit. He's ready to get hit.
अमित मिश्रा 15 साल से पिट रहे हैं यार, अभी भी बॉलिंग करते हैं.
Exactly.
Right. बिल्कुल. Spinners का गेम ही वही है यार.
Right.
मार खाओ विकेट लो.
That is okay. So coming to a last point, which is like I think very obvious answers from everyone. Who is gonna win the third test? So Vignesh.
India winning it in 8 sessions. 2 days and 2 sessions. Yeah.
Okay.
2 days and 2 days and 2 sessions. I thought.
Yeah, India जीतेगी, but it will be a lot closer than the last test. It won't be as easy.
Okay. Vikas, आप?
India will win, but there will be a sweat. आराम से नहीं होगा.
तो ये विघ्नेश बोल रहा है बहुत जल्दी खत्म होगा गेम.
मैं भी बोल रहा हूँ जल्दी खत्म होगा.
शशांक भी बोल रहा है
but there will be a sweat.
पर ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि 203 कितने
क्लोज रहेगा.
300 400 कितने लास्ट टेस्ट 200 317
300
उतने से नहीं जीतेंगे.
विकास बोल रहा है कि 5वें दिन तक जाएगा ना गेम.
Yeah, I'm hoping that on on a new wicket. I want the curator and everything. They also want some competition to happen, and it has to be. तो जब तुम एक नया कुछ छोड़ते हो तो लगता है कि
अहमदाबाद में भी बहुत क्रिकेट है भाई. अहमदाबाद में बहुत क्रिकेट है अभी. कोई क्रिकेट की कमी नहीं है.
अहमदाबाद ही एक्चुअली अगर आप देखो
अहमदाबाद ही है अभी.
राजदीप, what do you think?
India win, bhai. India win in 4th or 5th day.
Okay, guys. Thank you. I think we have pretty much covered all the points. It was great again meeting with all you guys. We'll meet again. Let's see how this test goes.
Right.
Okay. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for watching.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.